Saying that the camera turned on us.
इस तरह का ये हमारा पहला इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग है।
मुझे एक मौका मिला। I know these are the mistakes I'm doing since so long.
Told us that notice yourself and see what you as a teacher are doing in the class, right?
I watched my own videos and I came to know about my own mistakes.
But for the first time, due to this, it gave us the opportunity to see how we actually teach.
When we slowly started recording our own classes and then we started looking into it, then still we could find many flaws.
There are times when I am the person who's distracting the class.
My facial expressions. Okay, which I don't like. How my students can like.
जब इन्होंने डायग्नोसिस टेस्ट किया, that diagnosis test have given a lot of you can say that mirror to the teachers also. Yes, my class standard is so.
Before teaching now we'll have to find out कि 5th में, 4th में, 3rd में, 2nd में, 1st में क्या हुआ, अपना बच्चा कितना जानता है, कितना independently वो कर पाता है.
When they joined the grade 6, after first term, they got the idea, okay, these are the students facing the problem.
We used to not just give it to the children. We used to means वो ज़्यादा teacher oriented होता था, like the teacher was doing everything.
और अभी तक टोटली हम ब्लाइंड वे में हम जा रहे हैं क्लासेस में. हमारा बच्चा नया है, मैं नया हूँ, मैं आया, टॉपिक निकाला, सिलेबस पढ़ा दिया.
बात हुई तो मुझे पता चला नहीं, ये तो मैं अपने बच्चे की कैपेबिलिटीज में शक कर रही हूँ.
हमें अच्छे से समझ में आया कि हर बच्चे में अलग अलग कुछ समस्याएं होती हैं। तो
We are habituated of the regular routine, how we are doing that stuff. Now we are changing that.
Initially we had certain apprehensions.
There was a one template of the session plan earlier. लिखते जाते थे, they were writing 2 page 3 page.
सिलेबस कैसे पूरा होगा, थोड़ा बदला, एग्जाम में कैसे लिखेंगे, ऑब्जर्वेशन में क्या होगा.
Syllabus is always a concern for us. Already got a ready-made session plan from the coaches. It was more of student involvement.
It's the knowledge which your children are getting, that not only that, not limited to textbooks.
बहुत गहराई में जाकर किसी समस्या की जड़ में जाकर हमें चीजें बताई गई हैं.
For each session, lot of activity has to be get planned.
सर ने बहुत बार एडिटिंग करवाया, फिर एक सॉलिड प्लान बना.
Children are leading the session.
But in a classroom, they are giving the responsibility to do all to the students.
Rather than me standing and explaining, when they do it hands-on, when they learn, they are learning by doing.
The activity they are doing independently.
It's between students, it is much easier.
अगर बच्चा किसी चीज में, किसी भी कौशल में इतना बेहतर प्रदर्शन कर रहा है, तो वो परिवार को भी पता चलेगा.
100% students involvement is there.
This is more well planned than we were used to be.
Children were helping each other, then I didn't have to go to each and every group. Strain कम हो गया है, जो बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे बोलना पड़ता था, explain करना पड़ता था. वो stress और strain कम हो गया है.
If I go with this, of course I will be calm and composed, and I will be more trustworthy about my students.
Students themselves are doing the work, first thing, and they have an excitement.
The workload is little bit less, and the engagement of the students is more.
अभी तक किसी भी टीचर्स ने ये डिस्क्रिप्शन लेके हमारे पास नहीं आया है कि इसको कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आई.
Children are themselves saying that you can take the test whenever you feel. Like
All these circuits मैंने बोला ही नहीं कि बना के लेके आओ, वो लोग खुद लेके आए. बहुत पॉजिटिव लगा. When the children brought the circuit, I was really very happy.
फ्रैक्शंस ओरल के हर क्वेश्चन का जवाब मैंने क्लास में देखा है पर्सनली.
जब आप क्लास में से बाहर आ जाते हो और आपको सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है, तो आपने कितना भी मेहनत किया उसके पीछे, आपको वो थकान मिट जाता है. To make a changes in the question paper also, and we have to train our teachers for that also.
अब तक हम एक विषय शिक्षक के रूप में थे, पर अब हमें यकीन है कि हम भाषा शिक्षक के रूप में काम करेंगे।
I always want that my students should know me not only by my nature but also by my knowledge.
All subjects we have to connect.
My students should show their interest in the subject, and that interest level should be increased day by day.
If we are going to follow this kind of a system steadily, very sincerely, which is going to happen.
At present we are talking about in grade 5 we have to connect with that same things, we have to connect with the grade 7 also. So that connectivity is very important, right?
Okay, these are the problems that we have to identify, and now we have to work on these solutions. Right?
ये चीज हम धीरे धीरे सीख रहे हैं और हमें यकीन है कि हम इसे कर पाएंगे।